What you doing there, Abigail? Huh? Are you roaring? While you wait for the train? Yeah, that's what I thought. Silly. Hey, look, a monkey.
I don't see a monkey.
That's because there wasn't one. I was just kidding.
Hey, a bug.
Where?